Morning, everybody. I got a call the other day from somebody who wanted to shed. And the unfortunate thing is he wants a shed that's 12 by 10 instead of 10 by 10. So we're going to take this platform apart. I'm going to show you how to pull nails using a cat's paw and a hammer today. And I have an assistant with me today. Mrs. Hegem has volunteered to help me with today's task of trying to get this floor system taken apart. So we'll show you how to pull a nail. It should be a pretty quick process, but some of you are having problems with that, so we'll give you a couple tips and a couple pointers, then Mrs. Hegem and I will get to work on this floor system and get that taken apart. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, grab your cat's paw. This is a great tool to use because it's got a kind of a pry bar, whoops, going the wrong way, a little pry bar right here that you can see, and that digs in on either side of the nail head. So you want to pound that in with your hammer, just on the back side, give it a good couple smacks. Don't go too deep with it. You just want to get underneath the head of the nail. You don't want to dig up more wood than you have to. So do that, and I hope you can see what I'm doing here. I'll move up a little bit here. Just going to take my nail, I'm going to put the cat's paw on either side of the nail head really close, a couple gentle taps like that, and I just want to pry up the head of the nail. Now, I could try and pry this entire nail up with the cat's paw, but a lot of times it's easier just to grab it with a claw hammer and give it a quick pull with the wrist, and the nail comes flying out of it. So
that's why you wear your safety goggles.
That's why you wear your safety goggles. So anyway, yeah, we're just going to get to work. But if you have any questions, just put them on our Google Classroom and maybe I can answer them. But I think this is pretty straightforward here. So we'll get to work.
All right, I'm going to give this a try. This is a new thing for me, so try this one here.
Sure.
Based off of what you said.
Yep.
All right. Why is this called cat's paw?
I have no idea.
Uh-oh.
Maybe a little more of an angle down. There
Like
you
this?
go, like that. Yep. And of course,
Oh, no.
there you go.
Yeah? Okay. Give it a little
Let's
shake.
pull back this way. Just enough to get the head up. There you go.
Oh,
And then you might,
switch.
grab your claw hammer and just
Any direction?
pull either one, either direction. There you go.
Woo!
There. All right, so I got a great assistant today. We'll get to work. We'll get this floor up in no time. All right.
Can I be honest with you?
Yeah.
This reminds me a lot of one of the stories that I teach.
Oh, what's that one?
The Telltale Heart.
Oh,
Around
yeah.
the floorboards being ripped up. Seriously, the best.
Good.
All right, I'll try this one again.
All right, I'll work at this one. So, there you go, get it up and then get your hammer underneath there. Works easier with the hammer than just with the cat's paw. Did you hear something?
No?
Oh, yeah, it could be me. A lot
Was
of
it the nail squeaking?
no, it didn't sound like nails.
It's not. It's not. You're just,
All right, keep working here. I got this mostly up, so we just got a few more to go. Are you sure you didn't hear something?
no, nothing. You okay?
I just keep hearing something. I don't know what it is. Oh, well, we'll keep working.
Okay.
Okay, you had it. You had it. Very good.
No.
Are you? Maybe it's just me. I don't know.
What, like your ears ringing or something?
Well, they always do that, but no, it's just weird. Anyway, grab that last nail there.
Sure,
Let's
yeah.
get the screen concentrated down here a little bit.
Yeah, nail flicking. Where's the last one here?
believe this. I can't believe you can't hear that, but I know it's there. Tear up these floorboards. Tear up these floorboards. For underneath is this hideous beating heart.
It is! It's actually there! What? Yes!
Yeah. I'm a horrible actor.
That was brilliant.